Hey, this is Adam with Tech.AV Club. I just got a quick one for you. So we're in Vegas Pro 18, but this also works for Movie Studio 17 and a lot of versions before this on both softwares. If you've ever looked at your project files and you've noticed an .sfk there, whenever you import something into Vegas, it puts the same named .sfk next to it, and this is how Vegas finds your files for your project. It kind of tells you what projects it's a part of, that file is a part of. So if this gets deleted, your file will go missing and it will have to create it again, but you can either add it back or search for missing files. Also, if the file itself goes missing, you will have to search for missing files. What that process looks like is it'll say, hey, there's a file that has been missing, and it's named C0032.mp4, something similar to that. In my case, what happened is I started editing off my USB card from my camera, but I also copied it to my computer. Usually I edit from the one I copied to my computer because the one on my USB is destined for deletion. But in this case, I deleted it off my camera's card, which is no longer plugged into my computer. So it's got no way to find it. So what I can do is you can either specify a direct missing file if you know exactly where it is, or if you don't know where it is, you can hit search. And then pretty quickly you can tell it what particular hard drive to search or to search them all if you don't know. Pretty quickly it'll root out where that is. So as soon as it's done and it's got something it can do, you can just select it and hit OK. And if it has more, it'll do more, and sometimes it'll even find multiple in the same spot. Round 2. Sometimes, if you've not paid attention, you have a duplicate name. So this is supposed to be a green screen of me, but when I put it in, it was not a green screen of me. It was this other file here. But this C032 is a green screen of me. So that is something I need in a project, but I have a duplicate naming thing because I partially deleted something in my camera. My camera was like, oh, well, that number's open, let me name it that. And then I didn't pay attention. So thank you, camera, for double naming something that I did in the same week time. So now what I need to do is figure out a way to get this replaced by that. Well, first thing let's get rid of the confusion. This is still on my USB card. So what I'm going to do is save this to my computer real fast. So now I've got this on my computer and off of my thumb drive. I'm glad I hadn't deleted it yet. So I have the file I need, and I have a file with the same name in a slightly different location. So that's how Windows didn't catch this. If these were in the same folder, Windows would have said, uh-oh, no. But Windows didn't catch it, so now they're the same name. So what I can do before I rename them and fix this mess, what I'm going to redo is right-click and hit Swap Video Files. Then I can find the folder it's in. For me is this one, and it'll swap the file with anything in this folder that's got the same name. So when I do that, boom, it fixed it. So now, well, it kind of re-swapped all these, but that's okay. They're all right in this folder now. So now everything is correct and I don't have the same thing. So I need to go where that other one was and rename it before I have another issue in the future, but there we go. That's how to swap files in Vegas. And you can use this to your advantage too if you name something the same name and you decide that you need to like swap out a take or something and don't want to redo all the edits. There's all sorts of ways you can use this to your advantage. So thanks for watching. Short one for you. Works with Movie Studio and Vegas Pro. See you next time.